boyfriend broke up with me, doing the typical thing because I don't know what else to do.
This is gonna be a heartbreaker. I feel like a little danger.
No. So, today. What are we doing today?
Somebody's dying their hair pink.
Oh my god, literally I told my whole family about it and they're like, no. I don't do this to appease you.
You're like, I have to be that bitch.
I know, they're like, I hated the last time you like did something to your hair, and they're talking about like the platinum shit. And like I understand because honestly, when you have like that gray kind of hair, it's just kind of dull, honestly. But this is like different.
It was a look, but like,
It was a look and I don't want that anymore.
yeah. Do you bleep cuss words out?
Yeah, yeah.
So if I said f I feel really ugly on this angle.
Same, I literally hate this. Like I feel like my arm looks like Texas.
I feel like my face looks like Alaska.
Ow! You sounded like that vine. What is it, like a goat? And it's like,
I feel like this whole video is just gonna be you zooming in on my face, me making weird noise.
yeah, it's like a goat. It's like,
yeah. I'm really good at this.
Should you try over here?
Yes, I can't like slide it.
You know, dumb. Oh shit. This is so dangerous. Okay, this is okay-ish. It's like covering up half of my face because of this, so I like it. Same.
Are we still getting coffee?
Yeah. Oh, like her neck hurts. This is really stressful. Oh my god! Sorry. Santa. Well, why would you get over way fucking earlier, bro?
Oh my god! What's wrong with you, bro?
What could you say so I
What
buy
is
it?
die on camera?
The other way to die is to die on camera. I need it documented.
Yeah.
We tell them meet me in the bathroom. I'm high as a okay, I'm gonna pause this here because I don't want to have storage. I still gotta get coffee and go to the bank. So, see you in a sec. Hi, Taryn. I'm sorry. Let me not came out my camera. Oh, that's okay. Yes. Lucas is gonna be. Hi. Sweet. Okay, sweet. Here, I'm gonna give this to you.
Yes, as a routine, and then it would start to fade.
So,
Before all last night, it kept snapping a bunch of pictures.
Point in the toe.
Yes, but like
We're taking pictures of your head.
that should be good. Should we get some good ones?
Okay, yeah.
So we are gonna use some soft blonde and 20 volume from Wella, and of course some Wellaplex just to make sure we keep our hair nice and healthy. And we're gonna go through and just do an all-over lightening session on her to see how light we can get it, and then put the pink on top of that. We're so excited.
is my face really shadowy right here? Like I feel.
I mean, it's not terrible.
How about here? I'm doing great so far. I'm a little itchy, but that's normal. I've been through it in high school a lot. I can deal. My pain tolerance is okay. It's not painful though. Like it's just like itchy. Like the bleach on your scalp is just like slightly itchy, but like it doesn't hurt me ever.
Olivia. Really? Coffee run. I can't do this. Can I get a spicy sausage burrito, 2 medium iced white mochas, medium hot caramel latte with almond milk, Southwestern breakfast burrito, and that'll be it.
Great, okay, someone else.
Thank you. I went on a coffee run for me, Olivia, and Taryn. I look really cute right now. I'm about to get the coffee and then just go back and see how lightened Olivia's hair is. I'm really excited to see it. I've secretly been wanting her to color her hair a fun color for a long time, but I've never really told her that because I didn't think she would do it, but I'm so excited. She's doing her hair pink, baby.
You will look cute. Is that me up there?
This person's probably gonna see this camera and be like, what the f is this bitching? Like, what the f is she doing? Thank you so much. Me too. Okay, hopefully I don't spill this.
Sung to me. I just got on camera. It literally sung to me. Wait. Taryn told me it would. Can you hear it? It sang to me when it was done. Taryn told me it sang. It sang. Yeah. Hi, Taryn. Hey, I got you a coffee. Oh my god. I'll have Sophie get you a coffee.
Thanks, girl.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yes. Thanks, Sophie.
You're welcome.
Doing a little beauty bath on our end just to kind of pop up some of that old color that we had done a couple months ago. Hopefully it'll be ready for the toner after this and then ready for the week.
Yay!
So excited.
Give some advice to the young people.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Okay, so I feel like lightning sometimes does whatever it wants. I literally just want to hit like a couple of spots.
Are we washing it off now?
We're gonna do some warmer water, a little bit of shampoo, clean it up, and what we'll do is we'll put gloss or a toner on this blonde so that it's even blonde.
It's like, you would never break up with me.
Oh, you want to show your nails now?
So pretty.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Look at her.
Just a little rough chop, and then we'll finish trimming it up when we're ready. We're done.
Look at that. Oh, I love the color of that.
No, isn't it so pretty? So do like just a little bit of everything. So we're gonna do some of that, and then some of this soft pink, which is like a little bit more vibrant.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Me too. Ooh, so pretty. Just a tiny bit of some more vibrant pink. So like glittery.
I know, I was like, is there glitter in that? Oh, it looks so good on camera.
So good.
I'm so excited for the paint.
I'm so excited for you. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I try to, sometimes I get like so busy that it's so hard to like, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
But that's okay. Serving some Frenchie from Greece Fine. I like my angle. Oh, there it goes. Sophie, it's my boo thing. Hey, girl. It's singing to me.
And his phone's on his own. And I think that's what they said it was. So they never showed me which one.
I knew when I was doing like a lot of like crazy color makeup, like every day, I knew something like this was gonna happen. I can't believe it.
It looks so...
Is it happening?
It's happening.
I'm so... I can't believe it turned out so fucking good.
You look so good. You already looked good, but you just...
Hi. Okay, my camera died yesterday while we were trying to film the outro in the car. It's wrapping up everything about all this. I freaking love this hair so much. I've never, ever, ever, ever been so obsessed with my hair in my whole entire freaking life. Like, ever. Like 9-year-old Olivia is so proud of this moment right now, and I'm proud of it for her. I just feel like this is my new vibe. I just needed to cut off all that dead shit on my hair. I just needed to cut it all off, to cut off those dead ends and like freshen up my look a little bit, you know? I'm just so excited to wear this hair with like different outfits because I have so many great outfit ideas in mind lined up for like the future. I just think this hair looks so cute, like with everything. Like it literally pulls every outfit together. I'm actually in the middle of filming a like DIY Goodwill video. This is a shirt that I just cropped from there. It was like a long, like, old Nana shirt, but now it's a cute little thought top, you know?
Anyway.
So I put this outfit on solely for that video, but I just needed to film an outro to this video because I realized before I continued editing this hair transformation video, I needed an outro. So here's my outfit. I just have this Forever 21 belt. It looks kind of like a Gucci knockoff from afar at like first glance with like your eyes squinted and like tears in your eyes. It kind of looks like a Gucci belt. And I just have this cropped Goodwill top. They're also from Forever 21. Literally my whole wardrobe is from Forever 21 because cheap, cute, trendy I can afford, you know. The gold matches the gold, and I just like, I think this like baby blue and pink look so cute together. This would also be a really cute outfit. I'll show you. I feel like this purple pastel skirt would also be really cute with this outfit if you're trying to go like more vibrant. Oh, I should get a pink belt. If I like wore this with like a pink belt, this would be like super dope too. But I'm going for the black and gold today. I feel so much like myself with this hair, like literally so good. Taryn did such an amazing job. If you live in my area, I would definitely 1000% recommend Trio Salon. I'll put their like links down below. Also, I'll tag Taryn's Instagram down below. If you go to my Instagram and look at my hair posts, I also did tag Taryn in those obviously as well. She's really great about posting all of her work on her Instagram. She really keeps it up to date because she's just cute like that. I just want to give like a huge shout out to Taryn and Trio Salon for letting me come in and film the whole experience because it was
such a good transformation.
Stay tuned for more of me and my pink hair. And remember, we are really close to 500. Once we hit 500, everyone who's subscribed is entered to win the giveaway. Also, side note, I just love how I can do that like really blushy look with like the blush on the nose. It just pulls together so well with the hair. I would do it without this pink hair too and it was cute, but like this is just like another level. Anyway, I am so thankful for all of you guys who are subscribed to me. Please just keep it up. Keep commenting, liking the videos. If you want to press the notification bar and get notified when I do post a video, definitely do that. I would freaking die. I would love you forever if you did. Well, anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up because I want to throw this clip in while I'm editing it and get it wrapped up so I can upload it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was fun. I hope I inspired any of you to want to go and color your hair crazy color. Like, if you want to color your hair, freaking do it. Like, that urge is never gonna go away unless you just do it, so just do it. Like, don't hold yourself back. If you want to be creative, just do it. If you're scared about what other people think, like, don't. It's your hair and it's just hair. Like, it's not the end of the world. Like, it's hair. It is literally just hair. Like, don't tweak about it, you know? Anyway, I love all of you who are watching right now so much. You have a place very near and dear in my heart right now, so just know that. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm getting more and more content created. I have a lot of videos already ready to edit and upload, so I am really excited. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.